Gojuka, Chidima, Gojuka. Gojuka. Go home. Nigeria is your home. Nigeria is your home.
Identity thief, we won't accept you in South Africa.
Go
Think
home.
about those identities you stole. Hamba Gojuka.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And I hope you will stay. But Nkosi Chidima Adetshina, she is currently making headlines once more. We were introduced to her when she entered Miss South Africa back in 2024, and she managed to reach the finalist stage. But Nkosi, and that is when things took a huge turn for her because people were quite confused on how come she is a South African allegedly and then she is called Chidima and the surname is Adetshina. She then posted a video of herself with her father, I believe, and some few family members celebrating her reaching the finalist Nkosi, and it was a group of Nigerians, and that on its own angered the South Africans, and they started asking questions on how is allegedly a Nigerian participating in a South African competition. But this issue dragged for so long. Chidima faced huge negativity from social media. People were questioning, and this put pressure to Miss South Africa to cancel and remove Uchidima Adetshina from the finalist list to basically disqualify her in the competition, Nkosi, stating that she was under investigation. And what was discovered then, Nkosi, it was quite shocking. It is alleged, Nkosi, that she is a mother, and one of the regulations for Miss South Africa is for people to enter who do not have kids. Secondly, it was alleged that Chidima is not or was never born in South Africa, but she allegedly stole an identity of another person. Thirdly, Nkosi, it was further alleged that Chidima's parents are also not from South Africa. Her mother is from Zimbabwe and her father is from Nigeria. Everyone was shocked with those discoveries. While South Africans were busy trying and questioning Chidima, Nkosi, Nigeria decided to invite her to attend Miss Universe Nigeria. There and then it was guaranteed that Chidima was going to win the title. And indeed she won, Nkosi. But now Chidima, she's back in South Africa. She's currently in Cape Town attending a case, Nkosi. She's trying to fight for her citizenship in South Africa to stay in South Africa, and people are quite amazed and shocked that how come does Miss Universe Nigeria want to live or rather to settle in South Africa? Aisha Mguningi Impela, and the Nigerians, they are quite disappointed with her decision because they believed that since she was now Miss Universe, she was not going to go back to South Africa, but she was going to stay in Nigeria and do things inside the country as Miss Universe Nigeria. But no, Chidima is back in South Africa fighting for his citizenship. Aisha Guningi Impela Nkosi, at this point, we all don't know how it is going to happen because it is further alleged that her lawyers, they took the case on pro bono, meaning that she's not paying anything, but they're just trying to assist her to win the case. And it is stated that those lawyers, they are quite powerful, but and she might win the case. Yeah, I am still amazed myself. Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending issue? Do you think Chidima should be granted the opportunity for her citizenship to be given back or not? I would like to hear your thoughts. That's it for today, but someone goes, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.